a light and see what I've seen.
Life a little ghetto, but it's mine. Joy is at stake and I'm in my prime. Going up, blowing up like a crescendo. Spreading love, no more pain like a window. Eating, I'm feeding, it's giving bistro. Spitting hot fire, I'm tired, it's giving heat stroke. Used to stand at the table like where my seat though. So now I gotta get my own, but it ain't cheap though. Take a look around, round. Got a lot going for me right now. If you're looking for me, find me on the ground. Rooted, yeah. Life's to live it. It takes a lot, but it's still giving. It's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. I don't have time for that negativity. If you hate life, you ain't never sitting next to me, cause it's blessing me. Speak life into my children and my husband. Buy all of us ice cause it's cheaper by the dozen. I feel myself is giving Beyonce. I'm just getting started and darling, it's giving Monday. Oh, good life, like yeah, it's giving under. Getting ready for the ride, it's giving Honda. Take a look around, round. Got a lot going for me right now, now. If you're looking for me, find me on the ground. Rooted, yeah, yeah. Life's too short, you need to live it. It takes a lot, but it's still giving. It's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. Giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. Giving what it's supposed to. It's giving what it's supposed to. Forever don't last too long. Shout out to Jasmine. Forever reserved for the best. Stay for the legends. Get the stage, leave it bloody. From the shoes, cost some money. I don't want unless it's study. Come from the dirt, but my vision ain't muddy. You should stop hating and call me a study. Just stress out, I'm where I'm supposed to be. If you wear that negative energy, you can't get close to me. It's not where I'm from, so don't worry where I'm going. Success is my baby. Gonna be a legend. I'm just one song away. I'm gonna be a legend. I'm just one song away. Big Pop, Jenny, Michael, and I am up next. It has always been a cycle. It happens again and then. Like Buster, Miss Elliott, Queen B is right next to them. Light us up to Little Kim.
Alright, sweetie, so I put out a video cleaning out my refrigerator and my freezer. So here is my Walmart delivery order. Some things had to get substituted, but let's get into it. So I got, of course, the DiGiorno pizzas, 1 4-cheese, 1 ultimate pepperoni, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We have some Fruity Pebbles. I'm gonna organize this all in a little bit. Cheez-Its, my favorite kind. If you don't know, now you know. Try these ones, they're so good, y'all. We have the 30 packs of snacks. We have 10 Chips Ahoy, 10 Oreos, and 10 golden Oreos. Buttermilk complete pancake mix. A 5-pound bag of roasted potatoes. Brown rice. This one had to get substituted for Hershey's Betty Crocker milk chocolate. I had I forgot which one it was, but I had a different one that was milk chocolate. I got some diced tomatoes. It has the basil, garlic, and oregano in it. I have golden sweet whole kernel corn. Some French style green beans. I like fresh green beans, but my husband likes French style green beans. These are the only green beans he'll eat, so I got these. I got some whole cashews. I wanted lightly salted, but they only had salted, so this will work. I got this Lawry's teriyaki with pineapple juice marinade. This is so good. I'm going to show y'all what I make with this. Garlic and Romano Olive Garden croutons. So good. Fudge brownie mix. I did not know this pack was so small, but I got these turkey sausages for us to try because we're trying to get away from the pork sausages. So we'll see how the kids like them. They're 10 fully cooked and browned sausages, so we'll see. 12 big chocolate chip cookies with the chocolate chunks in them. My husband loved these, so I got these mainly for him, but you know, I'm gonna sneak 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. The kids were hooked on the smaller boxes of these blueberry waffles, so I went ahead and got the family pack. You get 24 blueberry waffles. They're so good, quick and easy in the mornings. I have a family size of Cocoa Pebbles. I ordered the store brand of this all-purpose flour, but it got substituted for this, so I'll take it. Eventually want to stop buying pizzas and just make our own, so I got some more pizza crust. I made one the other week. It was okay, but I got my sauce down packed, so I got another one of these pizza crusts. All right, so I also got some mozzarella cheese, some thick sliced bacon. This is my favorite, my new favorite here. This Cajun style andouille smoked sausage. I love this so much. It is so fire. Want some bread with some mustard and some raw onions? Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Let's go. I got some chicken breasts, boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These look real beefy. But yeah, these were $14.95. So got these. Okay, and here I got some bananas and a whole pineapple. I have 2 gallons of whole milk, and I also got some chicken party wings. I got some flats and drums, and I got 2 bags of these 4-pound bags. I got some golden crispy crowns, which are the little mini hash browns, some cheese raviolis, Brussels sprouts, which these had to be exchanged as well. This also was exchanged for, this is a larger bag than what I ordered, but I'll take it because why not? But this feels this is frozen. Ooh, okay. All right, sweeties, I'm down to my last 2 bags. So I have some more corn, canned corn. I have some diced tomatoes, petites. A bag of pizza rolls. We got apples, white bread, and some grapes. And that's what I got from my Walmart shopping holly haul. Okay.
Honest in yourself, don't you never pretend. Beat the odds, do numbers, and remain humble.